Hello my dear friends, I Aishwarya welcome you all to my channel Jazzy Jewels. So few days ago I have uploaded a short video asking which jewelry tutorial should I bring on, and everybody have voted for this beautiful stud earrings. So thank you so much for your valuable feedback. Because of the same, I have come up with the tutorial of this beautiful stud earrings. So I hope that you will enjoy watching this tutorial and definitely try to make these stud earrings at home. If you like this video, do give it a thumbs up. And if you are new here, I request you to subscribe to my channel so that we can meet on a regular basis to make such amazing jewelry making tutorials like this in the future. And now let's get started. So the material required is pearl chain, guntan mala, canvas sheet, diamond chain, eye pin, stud, kundan of any color. I am taking skin color. Then moti of 5 mm and Fevibond glue. So we will start by sticking first kundan. Now we will add 2 layers of golden beads. So for that, first of all we will measure how much it is required and then we will cut it right there. I guess it becomes much. Okay. Then I'll again measure for the outer circle. We are taking 2 lines of golden bead chain. This becomes perfect now. Now we will add pearl chain. So I already have this small one in its size. I will simply stick it. Now I'll cut not properly but little bit of it, and also I'm going to take some small part on this. And I'll cut extra. I'm folding this to make it square. Now I'm taking this stud and will insert it here. Also I'll check. Now I'm cutting this because Fevibond glue sticks very fast, so no need to worry. going to add eye pin and this stud base. So I'm adding sufficient glue here. Also I'll add some glue to this one where our stud is, and I'll take one eye pin also and I'll add it here. Now I will again stick this one. Okay, so with this our main stud is ready. Now we will make the dangle part. For that I'm taking this laria and I'll insert one 5 mm pearl bead in this and wrap it here. Now we will insert approx 15 L'Oreals in this, so I'll do that quickly. If you are enjoying the technique till now, do hit the like button. It really motivates me a lot. Okay, so I have added 15 L'Oreals. I'll add 2 more. Okay, and immediately I'm going to add this L'Oreal pearl chain. I have taken 4 L'Oreals in this chain. I'll add it in here in this, and then I will close this loop. Okay, so now our dangle is also ready. We'll just attach this both of them. So I'm opening this eye pin and I'll insert this dangle here, and with this a beautiful earrings are ready. So how do you like this, my quick and fast recipe of making earrings? Do let me know in the comments. And here comes another earrings. And that's it guys, this is the final look. I really hope that you enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comment section below guys. I love it when you interact with me and definitely hear you out. So any request, any suggestion that you have, let me know in the comments below. Also, if you like this video, leave it a like because that really helps us to reach to more people. I'm trying to grow up my family here. So if you don't follow me on Insta, then check out my Insta handle. I'm giving its link in the description below. Check out that content. If you like that, you can follow me there as well. I do post various jewelry designs there. And lastly guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do it. I'll meet you in another grand new tutorial with a grand new design. Until then, this is Aishwarya signing off.